Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell about the one more conference. So which is nothing but your UGC, IOP and your Elsewhere International Conference. Okay, that means your paper will get accepted either one of this journal. Okay, it may be a UGC or it may be your under your IOP conference proceedings, or you can say your Elsewhere conference proceedings. Okay, so these journals also will be having your good publication, that means greater publication rate and your fastest publication. Okay, so the title of that conference, okay, the title of the conference is nothing but your ICIAST 2021. Okay, it's nothing but your international conference on innovation and application in science and technology, which is going to take place on the month of December 21st to 23rd December 2021. That means within this year only. Okay, which is going to organized by your Galgotias College of Engineering and Technology in your Greater Noida, UP. Okay, so the conference title is ICIAST 2021, International Conference on Innovation and Application in Science and Technology, which is going to take place in the month of December in the same year 2021, 21st to 23rd December 2021. Okay, so when it comes to the topics, okay, as I used to tell you on, okay, so your topics, the mention on this slide or on your website are just for the sake of your idea, but your paper can be relevant to any other topic as well, because these conferences will accept like any topic relevant research. Okay, not just to the topics that has been mentioned in their website. Okay, so here I have given you some of the topics, okay, which includes your smart materials energy, your corrosion, your energy materials, your nanoparticles, nanoscience and nanotechnology, your synthetic chemistry, your micro and your nanofluids, your computational and your theoretical fluid dynamics. I mean, these are some of the topics, okay, which will be accepted by this conference. Okay, so the rest, I mean, if you look at your link on your right hand side, so this link is nothing but the link of the conference. Just you can click on that link just to know what are the dates. Okay, so what are the important dates of your abstract submission, or you can say full paper submission, what is your registration process, all those things. Okay, so if you look at these important dates on your right hand side, okay, the paper submission deadline is on 25th 11/2021. Okay, so that means the 25th of November, that means this month. Okay, and you'll get your completion so that means your acceptance on all those emails will be received by 30th of November itself. Okay, and your revised paper submission will be accepted till December 5th 2021, and by the same date you need to complete your registration also. Okay, by December 5th 2021, and the conference dates are scheduled in as told 21 to 23rd. Okay, 21 to 22 December 2021. Okay, these are your conference dates which is going to take place. Okay, so but you need to submit your paper by 25th of November, and you'll get your acceptance by 30th of November, and your revised paper submission, that means if you got any comments, the final manuscript need to be submitted by December 5th 2021. Okay, now as I so topics when it comes to your topics covered, so as I told you, I shared some of the topics in the previous slide. Okay, so apart from that, there are many other topics which is accepted by this conference, which includes your data science and IoT, your networking, your machine learning. Okay, so you can check out this website for your topics. And if you look at the starting one, okay, the broad area of ICIAST 2 will include, but not limited to the following topics. Okay, that means it's not like only the list of topics which has been given will be accepted, but apart from this, you can include the other topics as well. Okay, but the only thing is that topic should not get published elsewhere. Okay, and you try to make sure, and if you talk about your guidelines, okay, so if you click on that submit a full paper length, okay, so there it will tells you your guidelines. Okay, so if you look at that, so the original manuscript should be prepared according to the given template. Since each journal has its own template, so he has given the specific templates also, like depends upon what type of journal you're going for, whether you need to go for your advances. This is your UGC. If you talk about material study proceedings, okay, see that we have a separate format. Similarly, if you talk about IOP publication, that we have a separate format. So you need to prepare your manuscript in that specific format, okay, and you have to make sure that your similarity index should not be more than your 15%. It's the main criteria. Your similarity should be less than 15%. Okay, so that's the criteria as given, and the important dates I've already told you. So 25th of November is your deadline for submission of your paper, and your acceptance will be received by 30th of November, and the corrected paper, the final manuscript has to be sent by 5th of December. By the same date, you need to complete your registration. Okay, so when it comes to your registration fees, okay, so when it comes to registration fees, so if you talk about this one, okay, so for students, for faculty, for researchers from industry, so under each category we have a different registration fees. Okay, so if you talk about, since our aim is to publish our paper, okay, with paper publication along with the presentation, okay, for students they're charging 5,000. For faculty they're charging 5,000. For researchers from industry also they're charging 5,000 only. Okay, so this is with respect to this amount 5,000. This is with respect to materials today proceedings. Similarly, if that paper is selected under your IOP proceedings, conference proceedings, which is also a Scopus index, then that will mean that amount will be increased from the 6,000 to 6,600. Okay, so for all except for researchers from industry, they're charging 7,000. But for faculty from academic institution, for students, they're charging 6,600 for your IOP conference proceedings. Okay, so you need to select, like you need to select what type of, under which journal you are going to publish your paper. Okay, so the other thing is, so he has given the template for full paper length. As I told you now, so we have different things for Scopus, for IOP, and everything. So for materials today proceedings, there is a link given for you, okay, under your full paper section. For Journal of Physics, which is your IOP conference, this is your download template. For advances, so which is a UGC, this is your template. Okay, so you need to make sure like under which category you want to publish your paper. Okay, whether you need to go for UGC or you can say your conference, Scopus index journals. Okay, your materials today is nothing but it comes under your Web of Science as well. Okay, that's the advantage with respect to materials today proceedings. Okay, so your materials today proceedings comes under Scopus and Web of Science index. Journal of Physics comes under your Scopus index, and your advances and applications in materials sciences comes under your UGC tier list. Okay, so you can publish your paper under this conference. So you will get your acceptance within a very short period of your time. Okay, thank you. So please do subscribe our channel. So you'll getting a lot of updates regarding the conference which are going to take place on regular basis. Okay, thank you.